What did you find? I am cleaning, and I wasn't gonna give this to her. You found it! I look horrible. I wasn't gonna give this to her till later, and I was gonna like do a whole video on it, but she found the SOCKATOO. Did you find the SOCKATOO? Yeah? You got into something you weren't supposed to. Look at your SOCKATOO. Do you love it? Yeah? Look! Oh, that's so pretty. She loves it, you guys. So, okay, so I had to grab this because she's just going into it. She's just loving her SOCKATOO. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here we go. Sorry, I wasn't planning on filming. This is the card. Victoria, you didn't even read the card. Look at her. She's going into it. Okay, so this is a get well present for Victoria. We hope she continues to improve. You two have been through a lot, and we wish you health and happiness. Love the SOCKATOO team. Are you listening, Victoria? Barbara, Bruce, and Janet. You guys, I'm trying to clean this room because it's like we got behind on stuff, and she just dug in. Like, I was gonna make like a pretty video, like, oh, here, Victoria, look at your SOCKATOO, and then she'd be like, oh, but no, she like went for it. What is so cool about these SOCKATOOs is the proceeds go to the Oasis Sanctuary, which is in Arizona. They've got like 900 plus parrots. And those parrots there, it was like their last resort to go there. So it's amazing what the Oasis Sanctuary does. You guys, she loves this. Look at this. I can't even, like, this is for real. And then also the Indonesian Parrot Project. So thank you guys. Thank you. And this card is gorgeous. Sorry, everything's kind of messy right now, but we're like in the middle of cleaning. Will she share it with you, Thomas? Huh? Will she share her SOCKATOO with you? There's only one, honey. I'm sorry. Want to try? Here. Try that little part. I bet she'll share. I bet she will. She's really sweet. Gotta dig in, Thomas. You just gotta dig in. What, Bueno? What is it? What is it? What is it, Thomas? Huh? Okay, so I don't think she's gonna share. I'm sorry.